Breaking records. Understanding, that's a new record. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we've got an exciting topic that pops up in casual conversations, sports commentaries, and even in professional achievements. We're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, "That's a new record." Stay with us to discover not just its definition, but also how to use it in various contexts. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. When someone exclaims, "That's a new record," they're indicating that a previous achievement has been surpassed. This could refer to anything from athletic performances, like running the fastest mile, to personal achievements, such as reading a large number of books in a month. The essence of this phrase lies in its celebration of surpassing previous benchmarks or standards. It's a way to acknowledge someone's hard work, skill, or even luck in setting a new high score or standard. 2.1 in sports. In the realm of sports, "That's a new record" is a common exclamation. It's used when athletes break world records, national records, or even personal bests. From swimming to track and field, this phrase encapsulates the moment of triumph when a new milestone is reached. 2.2 in personal achievements. But it's not all about sports. This phrase finds its way into our daily lives through personal achievements. Maybe you've managed to save more money than ever before. Or perhaps you've conquered the largest pizza in town faster than anyone else. Saying, "That's a new record," celebrates these personal milestones, big or small. 2.3 in entertainment and media. In entertainment and media, breaking records is a big deal. Whether it's a movie that grosses more than any before it or a video game that sells millions of copies on its release day, "That's a new record," highlights these historic moments of success and popularity. Let's put this phrase into action with some examples. Did you hear? She ran the marathon in under 2 hours. That's a new record for the event. I can't believe I finished this puzzle in 10 minutes. That's a new record for me. The latest superhero movie earned $2 billion worldwide. That's a new record in box office sales. These sentences showcase how versatile the phrase is, fitting smoothly into discussions about sports, personal achievements, and even box office triumphs. And there you have it, folks. Understanding and using the phrase, "That's a new record," isn't just about acknowledging when someone or something has surpassed previous achievements. It's about celebrating progress, hard work, and sometimes, the sheer joy of accomplishments. We hope this explainer adds a new tool to your English language toolkit and inspires you to set some new records of your own. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content. Remember, every day is an opportunity to learn something new and maybe, just maybe, to break a new record.